This is Olena from Olena Roseanne coming back to you with another video, and this one is on the two products I opened up in my last video, the hair serum and hair butter from My DNA Curls. Now, as if you noticed in my last video, I had a little mishap. It spilled part of this on my foot. That's not happening today. Instead, this will be going directly onto this freshly washed hair, and we're going to do a twist out. So before you get all relaxed in your chair, couch, or whatever you're sitting on and watch this video, make sure you do subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will meet you all at the end where we'll see the results of my twist out and talk about if I like these products or not. Hey Roses, I'm back. It's the next day. My hair, as far as I can feel, is thoroughly dry. I can still feel the moisture in it. Twisting up my hair was a breeze. It basically made the two-strand twisting effortless. So I love the way my hair feels. So anyway, let's just go ahead and get into it. Okay. See how that came apart? Look at the definition. Look at the snapback. There we go. And I am taking it down with the assistance of the DNA serum, which you guys saw earlier. I just lightly coated my two-strand twist with it when I was done, and I'm taking down with it. So let's go ahead and get this over with. glister and shine. I am so happy it dried in one day. Not even a whole day. Look at that. The definition speaks for itself. Okay, so see about the separation. Hey guys, there we have it. First day twist out. I'm still taking down a few. I haven't picked it out, the roots out or anything, and normally I start off with my hands. Turn my head upside down and pick with my fingers from the roots. I still have plenty of body. My hair is soft, it is not greasy, it's light, fluffy, and still has definition. I am very pleased, very, very pleased, and I give my DNA curls an A+. I am loving this. So tell me if you love it too. Tell me if you've tried any products by My DNA Curls. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will talk to you roses later. Bye. Second day here, courtesy of My DNA Curls. Cute, y'all. It's blonde, but it's defined.